guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my closet again. Hopefully the lighting is okay. I've got 5 lights in here. It's always going to be shitty because there's no natural lighting in here whatsoever. But anyway, I'm doing a wardrobe declutter. I don't know how many videos this is going to turn into. I guess I'll have to see how long the content goes for and then divvy it up. This is part 1. I have recently had an influx of clothes. We moved into this house a year ago, just over a year ago now, and I was a size bigger than what I am now, or a size or 2 bigger. A lot of the clothes that I have don't fit me anymore. I also feel like my style has really changed and evolved over the years. You know, like I've got stuff in here that's probably like, I don't know, over 5 years old. And my style and aesthetic has changed a lot since then, which you will notice, like there's a lot of neutrals in this closet and things like that. So I'm going to declutter and get rid of things. And I wish I could have a rule that was like, if you haven't worn this in a year, then it's gone. But I don't think that I can stick to that. But I'm going to start with my top section, sleeveless tops, and then here we have tops with sleeves and jumpers and things like that. I'm going to start here and then I'll do other sections as well. So don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get on to decluttering my wardrobe. I should also mention that I kind of need new hangers to hang up the new stuff, so that's why I need to get rid of things. I don't know which is the best way to do this. Okay, this top. This is just a basic singlet top from Dottie. Look, I have worn it a few times, but it's like really see-through, and whenever I put it on, it's never white enough. So I don't think that this needs to be hung up, because this is just the kind of thing that can go into a drawer and I'll wear like casually. I'm like not tall enough. I need some heels on or something. This top is actually from Forever New. It's a size 14 and it's too big for me now, but I want to hang on to it because I can still get away with it and tuck it into things. It's such good quality. Like these tops are really, really nice, and it's white. I wore it like the other week actually. Okay, this top is from Valley Girl. It's got this neckline and it like comes out really flowy. It's a basic top, so I'm going to keep it. Okay, this top actually has foundation stain on it, and that's not coming out, so I might get rid of that one. This top is so nice. Oh, there's foundation on it. This top is actually really nice. I think it actually just fits me again now. So it's from Forever New. It's got an elastic waist and it actually looks really nice. I'm pretty sure it just fits me. Let me just try it on. Yeah, it fits me now, and for a while it was too tight on the bust. But I just love how the neck comes in like that. Like it's very elegant and you know, business appropriate. So I'm going to hang on to this one. White peplum Dottie top. I have not worn this in a long time. That one's a size medium. I think I will sell that one. This one's a Valley Girl basic top. I had this in a haul at the start of the year. These are like not the best quality, but I'm hanging on to that one. This Dottie top, I basically got this for summer, and then I wore it once and then I never like ironed it or steamed it and didn't wear it again. But it's perfect for like summer and travel because it can shrink up so small. So it's really good for that. Tempt. I think that this one just fits me now. It's very similar to this top that I've got now, but it's like a crossover wrap and it's got like a, you know, it's more flowy. It's not elastic at the bottom. This is from, oh, what do you call it? Primark. And it's actually really handy. It's a bit big for me now, but I still wear it from time to time. This is going to take forever. A Valley Girl top. Yep, keep that. This top was a nice shirt top. It is too big for me now. I got it in the US and it's probably like, it's like a size 14 to 16. But yeah, I think I'll sell that one. This top is from H&M. It's just like a little tie-up one. I wore it quite a few times in summer, so I'll hang on to that one. This top is just like a knitted crop top. I haven't worn it in a while. It's a large. I might hang on to it to see if I wear it like this time around. This one, size large. I think I'll sell this one. I haven't worn it. I think I wore it for a lookbook and that's about it. This top from Forever New, I wore it for a friend's engagement party and I think that I would fit into it again now. Yeah, I should fit into it because I was bigger at that engagement party than I am now. So I'll hang on to that one. Just for like special occasions when I need a nice top. This was my Kmart top. I wore this like the other week in a video. It's really cute. Another Kmart top. I haven't worn this one yet, but it's turned to cold weather, so I got this Valley Girl top, and I wore it in a video, but I didn't love it. It was just like nice and springy and summery. I think I might keep it because it's just perfect for spring. This is like a Forever New reversible tank top, so versatile. Supre peplum top in a medium. Haven't worn it in a long time. This top is from Dottie. I got it to wear it to work. I've worn it a few times, but yeah, as I said, it's getting cold. This is a 12 and it's a little bit big for me now, but I'll hang on to it. These tops, this is a Forever New one, like that white one, and then this is a Dottie top. I like the first one's too big for me now, and this Dottie ruffle top is a size 12, but I haven't worn it, so see you, sis. I brought this in here thinking that I might wear it this summer, and I didn't. It's an alley top. It's a size 10, possibly 12. It's quite sheer, but it's got this bow on the front. It's really cute, but it's a little bit too young for me now. This is another crop top from Forever New. These are really good quality, so I'll hang on to it. This one I got from Forever 21 in the US. I think I'll hang on to it because it's good for work. Another peplum Dottie top. I really, I never wore this. This is so bad. Like, this is a typical me. I love this, but I've never worn it. I think because it's very, Barbie-esque when I put it on, and I feel a little bit too Barbie, but I really, really love it. I think I'll have to get rid of it. Forever New crop top. Now, this one from memory is super short. Like, it just covers the tatas. So I should probably let go of it because I'm 30. I'm a little bit old for that. Peplum top from Valet Tent in a medium. I have not worn this, but see, it comes back to oh, but I like wearing it for with pencil skirts, but then I never wear pencil skirts. So yeah, see ya. Oh, this one's cute. I haven't actually worn it in ages. I don't know if it still fits me. This is a Dottie wrap up. It's not a wrap up top. It's just got this cross. I'll hang on to that one. Oh my God, I've never even worn this. Does this even fit anymore? This is from Tempt. I just remember why I haven't worn this top, because it is static AF. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little bit big for me here. But I never wear peplum tops anymore. I just don't wear them. It's so nice though. Yeah, I think I'll hang on to it. This top needs an iron. This shows how much of things I buy double ups of. This is a Forever New top, but it's in this lilac, lavender kind of color. And then this is one of those Dottie tops without the foundation stain. They're both too big for me, so I think it's bye-bye. I love them though. I don't want to get rid of them. I really don't want to get rid of them. Another one of these Dottie singlets. I'll get rid of this one. I got this top from Ali Fashion, and I wore it a few times, but the quality is honestly terrible. But I still do like it for filming purposes, that kind of thing. I think it's a bit big for me now. It is a large, but I think I'll hang on to it because it looks really nice when you're filming. This is from Forever New, and it's just a basic staple top kind of thing. This is Tempt. Haven't worn this in ages. It's one of those collar neck tops. I did used to get heaps of wear out of it, but I just haven't worn it for ages. Oh look, another one of these Dottie tops that I haven't worn. Actually, I wore this in a video not that long ago. It was kind of cute. I'll hang on to that one. Cotton on singlet. Now this is just a basic, so I'm just going to keep this, but I might just put it in a drawer. It's a size large, so it's too big for me, but I'll just wear it when I'm slothing or, whatever. This top from Tempt, I have a few of these, or I thought I had another one. I have not worn it. This is in a size medium. It's a bit shorter at the front and longer at the back. Haven't worn it in ages, so see ya. I don't think I even wore it last year, to be honest. Look how many coat hangers I already have, and that's not even, oh my gosh. Do you think I've done enough yet? This top from Tempt, I love it. I'm not getting rid of it. This one's from Tempt. It had a bit of a funny neckline, but I have worn it a few times, so I'll keep it. Another one of these going in the drawer. I think I basically hung them up because it was summertime, so yeah, and then I think I wore them a few times, those singlet things, but anyway. This top is from Tempt. Oh, it's a large. I love this, so I'm going to keep it. This top I wore to So Frenchy, So Chic. I really like it. I've only worn it once, so I'll keep it. This top is from MRP. Now, I think I wore this one time. I think I'm done with it. So this top is from H&M and I got it overseas in like, I think Europe. I don't want to get rid of it because it has like quite a few memories attached to it and it's kind of like a Dalmatian print, but I've put it on so many times and so many times I've just never worn it. But not that I am pregnant, but I am planning to have kids, so I feel like it might be a good pregnancy top because it's really, really flowy. Not that I'm pregnant, once again. This top I got from Myers to Keto, and I got it to wear like with jeans for like, you know, when you go out to dinner kind of thing. I haven't actually worn it yet because I guess I just don't go out to dinner. But I thought that it would be cute, like a little bit dressy, a little bit cute. Yeah, I'm going to keep that one. This top is from Portman's. It's a work top. I'm going to keep it. Now I have a few like random things up the back that you can't even see. So I'm getting into those, like the colorful things. Like I like having the nice, you know, these kind of things up the front and then the colorful things in the back. This is a cardigan from Target. It's, oh my God, I couldn't even tell you how old, maybe like 7 years old, literally. But it's still in good nick and I wear it from time to time at work. So, going back in. Okay, this is where I need to take some of these now. Okay. Here's my obsession with buying the same thing. These tops are all from Dottie. They're all size 10 and they're just tops that I wear to work. So they are long sleeve and then they have buttons down the back. So they're all getting saved. This top was so cute in summer. I love it. Keeping it. Do you guys remember Lillian from the Fashion Overhaul? Haven't worn her yet. She's still in here hanging out. This top I need to wear more often. It's from Dottie. It's just like a sweater with off like cold shoulders. And this cardigan is from Kmart. It is so old. I am gonna get rid of that. I'm just grabbing a few at a time because it's hard to get up there. Black Dottie peplum top. See ya, sis. Haven't worn this in ages. I wish it weren't so cropped. I might hang on to it though. And then shiny top. I've got to keep a shiny top. I've got to have the shiny top. It's staying, okay. This top is from MRP. I haven't worn it, so I'm going to get rid of it. And then this top was so cute, but it's a little bit too young for me these days. Last three. This top is from Tempt. Now, I think I bought this and it didn't actually fit me, so it's a large, so I might try that one on. And then this top was from H&M, I think. I might try it on and see. And then this is from Forever New. I don't know, you never know when you're going to need like a flannel shirt and it's kind of cute and it's colour themed, so. It's so funny that like I bought a large and it didn't fit me, but this fit is like a little bit smaller. So I can see that it's like, it's even like for a t-shirt, it's a little bit tight around my tatas. But yeah, it fits me now, which is nice. So I can wear this with like jeans or, you know, leggings or slothing or whatever. That's great. This is why I hold on to things that I can't fit into. This I feel is just like a little bit like, what are you doing? Like, I don't know. It's a bit slouchy. I don't know. I don't feel like it looks very flattering on me. So I might get rid of this one. Okay, so that was actually 27 minutes of footage, so I'm going to make this the first episode. Stay tuned for the next one. It'll be right around the corner. But thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up if you want to see more wardrobe declutter videos. There's going to be more anyway. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.